Good afternoon, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Asia Pacific stocks traded mixed on Tuesday, with Japan's Nike 225 dropping as much as 2% before pairing some losses as investors awaited for the Federal Reserve to kick off its monetary losing cycle. Overnight in the US, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 0.55% to a new record high at 41,622, tracking the rise in the S&P 500, which was up by 0.13%, settling at 5,633 points. And if its momentum holds up, the broad-based index could notch a new all-time high this week. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite lost by 0.52% to finish at 17,592, weighted down by tech stocks. The dollar traded near its lowest level of the year on Tuesday, on the eve of the expected start to a US easing cycle that markets are betting may begin with an outsized rate cut. Dollar pinned down by 50 basis point Fed cuts bets. Dollar pinned down by 50 basis point Fed cut bets. Oil extended gains on US output concern expected drop in stockpiles. Gold, however, near record high ahead of Federal verdict. Coming to the Indian market updates, we can see Nifty closed around 28 point positive, that is around 0.12%. And today's support level would be around 25,331, followed by 25,279. And the resistance level for tomorrow will be 25,498, followed by 25,550. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 35 point positive, that is around 0.07%. And today's support level would be around 51,807, followed by 51,692. And the resistance level would be around 52,554, followed by 52,727. Now coming to the mid cap closed around 79 point positive negative, that is around 0.13% negative. And today's support level would be around 59,678, followed by 59,502. And the resistance level would be around 60,611, followed by 6813. Coming to the small cap index, small cap closed around negative 72 points, that is around 0.37% negative. And the levels for tomorrow will be, support level will be 19,250, followed by 19,155, and the resistance level for tomorrow would be 19,728, followed by 19,824. Now coming to the sector rotation, we can see a saturation in diamond and jewelry, and we can see good buying opportunity in rating sector, alcohol sector, IT sector, aviation sector, retailing sector, FMCG sector, telecom sector, and healthcare sector. And top deliveries we see in finance sector, alcohol sector, ferromanganese sector, diversified sector, consumer durable sector, gas and transmission sector, non-ferrous metal sector, agriculture sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And the performance review so far is large cap performed till now 7.43%, auto stock basket performed around 4.01%, and private bank performed around negative 1.84%, Tata Group performed around 4.58%, and financial services stock basket performed till now 4.90%.